As it gets colder, abandoned cars on the highway could become frozen in place. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson live tonight, South Kansas City, getting answers with how soon you can expect to see those cars moved. Brian.
Yeah, that's right, Chris. We got off the interstate. We're near Manchester and 83rd Street, and the road conditions on the side streets are where it gets more challenging than you can see right there. State law now gives folks 10 hours to get their abandoned car to go pick those up in urban areas. In rural areas, they have more time, 24 hours. That said, though, safety is number one, and during extreme weather like this, the Highway Patrol is understanding. Reminders of the blizzard are everywhere you look. Abandoned cars remain on shoulders of roads and highways.
It's a large number.
Corporal Justin Howard is with the Missouri State Highway Patrol.
I think the importance is to be patient with tow companies as they're trying to get out and about now that things are clearing up a little bit.
He says any cars in the way of traffic get cleared immediately. Vehicles on the shoulder take longer to clear, especially since many of them have been buried in by plow trucks pushing snow to the side of the interstate.
If a plow truck has come by and created a larger pile of snow around your vehicle, then we know that that's going to take some time to thaw out and get removed safely.
Often getting a car cleared involves emergency vehicles and blocks traffic. It can take a lot of coordination, but they will all be removed from the shoulder.
Be safe, be patient. We're working to get those cleared as quickly as we can.
In Jackson County, Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
If you ever find yourself stranded on a highway in Missouri, call star 55. In Kansas, the number is star 47.